Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make pumpkin bread. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 eggs, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 cups of pumpkin puree, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, a half cup of vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of whole milk, a tablespoon of pumpkin spice, a tablespoon of molasses, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a half teaspoon of salt, as well as some cooking spray. We'll begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we'll whisk together our 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, tablespoon of pumpkin spice, teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, we'll whisk together 2 eggs, our 1 1/2 cups of pumpkin puree, half cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of whole milk, tablespoon of molasses, and teaspoon of vanilla until we have a uniform mixture. Once we've mixed our wet ingredients, we'll combine our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients, stirring them together with the spatula. After combining our batter, we'll spray a 9-inch by 5-inch loaf pan with cooking spray. When baking, I like to use a spray that contains flour. Then we'll transfer our batter to our loaf pan and bake our pumpkin bread at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's been 1 hour and 15 minutes and our pumpkin bread should be done. We'll check it with a toothpick to ensure it comes out clean. We'll remove our pumpkin bread from the oven and allow it to cool completely on a wire rack before removing it from the loaf pan and serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.